you're encountering the Cloud Save error 2026 on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and easily. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Restart Steam. Close the Steam application completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the connection to the Steam servers and may resolve the error. Step 3. Verify game files. Navigate to your game library, right-click on the affected game, and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks for any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Step 4. Clear Steam Download Cache. Go to Steam Settings, select Downloads, and then click on Clear Download Cache. This can help resolve issues related to cloud saves and syncing. Step 5. Check Steam Cloud Settings. In the game properties, ensure that the Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud option is enabled. If it's already enabled, try disabling it, restarting Steam, and then re-enabling it. Following these steps should help you resolve the Cloud Save error 2026 on your Steam Deck. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.